Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily compress to zip file your file that you have. So let's see. Now if this video will be helpful, definitely write down below in the comments for other people to know too. Right click on a file that you're gonna have. Then under rotate left or right that you're gonna see here, you want to see compress to zip file. Click on it. And voila, I'm going to rename it, whatever, and I have it here. So I'm going to double click on it. And when I'm going to double click on it, it will appear the zip file. So this is how you can do it. Again, right click and you can have compress to zip file. If you can't compress it, you need to download the zip file from the internet, and that's when you can do it. So yeah. Thank you very much guys. Definitely write down below in the comments if this helped you. Goodbye.